Have you ever wondered about a historical event that reshaped the Middle East as we know it today? Welcome aboard as we navigate through the tumultuous waves of Nakba 1948, a pivotal occurrence which has forever marked the region. This event resulted in the uprooting of approximately 750,000 Palestinians and the annihilation of numerous Arab-majority towns and villages. A moment so profound, it's ingrained deeply into the Palestinian national consciousness. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready as we delve deeper into this seminal event in Palestinian national identity. Let's take a leap back in time, stepping into our historical time machine and journey back to the late 19th century to fully grasp the roots of the Nakba. It was an era of captivating transformations, a kaleidoscope of global shifts birthing unprecedented ideas. Ottoman Palestine was not immune to this intellectual evolution, and one such brainchild was Zionism. Sparked in the intellectual foundries of Europe, Zionists embarked on a quest for a homeland for Jews, their compass pointing unwaveringly to Palestine. This land, a vibrant mosaic of cultures and communities, was about to be etched with the mark of Zionism. An epoch of escalating immigration, a surge of land acquisitions, and burgeoning settlements dawned. As the Zionist footprints deepened, so did the fault lines between them and the native Palestinian inhabitants. Jumping ahead to the mid-20th century, the world was caught in another whirlwind of transition. The cataclysmic aftershocks of World War II had scarred the globe, and amidst the turmoil, a new titan emerged on the international stage. The United Nations, entrusted with the mantle of safeguarding global peace and security, found itself wrestling with a thorny issue in Palestine. In 1947, the UN unveiled a partition plan for Palestine, a blueprint for dividing the land between a Jewish state and an Arab state. But the plan was flawed. It doled out an inequitable allotment of land to the Jewish state, despite the Jewish community being in the numerical minority. This was a ticking time bomb. The native Palestinians viewed this as a slap in the face, a gross injustice. The Zionists, on the other hand, saw it as an open door to establish the state of Israel. The conflict was inevitable. The simmering tensions erupted, and the Nakba, or the catastrophe in Arabic, unfurled. Thus, the gears of history were set in motion for a clash that would dramatically reshape the world. An explosive conflict that would scatter approximately 750,000 Palestinians, erase their towns and villages from the map, and inflict a deep, lasting scar on the Palestinian national identity. The Nakba's roots are tangled in a formidable labyrinth of history, politics, and human dreams, and unraveling them is critical to comprehending the ongoing struggle in Palestine. Picture yourself in 1948, a year forever scorched into the parchment of human chronicles. During this period, the globe bore silent witness to a heart-rending calamity, a cataclysmic event that came to be known as the Nakba, or catastrophe in Arabic. This was no ordinary skirmish, but a heartless ethnic purge that unspooled in the heart of mandatory Palestine during the 1948 Palestine War. The magnitude of the catastrophe was colossal, its echoes reverberating across generations. An estimated 750,000 Palestinians found themselves abruptly evicted from their homesteads, their lives tossed into chaos without forewarning. Whole communities were shattered, kinships severed, and existences irrevocably transformed. Yet, the human toll was merely one facet of this tragedy. The physical tapestry of Palestine was drastically reshaped. Arab-majority hamlets and settlements, once pulsating with vitality and culture, were mercilessly razed. the lilting echoes of merriment, the constant hum of daily existence replaced by the thunderous hush of desolation. This was an epoch of seismic discord, an era steeped in brutal conflict and torment. The Nakba was not merely a solitary incident, but a sequence of actions that radically altered the visage Palestine and the destinies of its inhabitants. Yet, even amidst the bedlam and destruction, there were tales of tenacity, of individuals and communities clenching onto their identity, their heritage, and unyielding will to persist. These narratives thread through the tapestry of the Nakba, a testament to the unbroken spirit of the Palestinian populace. The tremors of these events still resonate today, over 70 years later. The physical abrasions may have blurred, but the emotional and psychological impact lingers, a poignant memento of a chapter in history that has left an indelible stencil on the Palestinian identity. The echoes of the Nakba can still be heard today, more than 70 years later. Imagine a pebble thrown into a pond. The ripples spread far and wide, long after the stone has sunk. The Nakba, the catastrophe, was that pebble, and the ripples are its enduring effects, persistently touching lives and shaping identities in the present day. The aftermath of the Nakba was not just a fleeting moment of profound change. It was the dawn of an enduring period of displacement for approximately 750,000 Palestinians. This mass exodus was not a simple migration. It was a forced expulsion, their homes, their lands, and their lives as they knew them. The scars of this displacement are still fresh, the wounds still raw in the hearts of those affected. The Nakba was more than just an event in history. It forever altered the physical and cultural landscape of Palestine. The people too were transformed. They became a diaspora, scattered across the globe, carrying with them the stories and heritage of their lost homeland. Yet, amidst the pain and loss, there was resilience, an enduring determination to remember, to honor, and to educate. This led to the establishment of Nakba Day, commemorated every year on May 15th. This day is not just about the past, but also about acknowledging the ongoing struggle and the relentless hope for a just future. Nakba Day serves as a powerful symbol of Palestinian national identity. It's a testament to their strength and their spirit, a remembrance of the hardships endured, and a beacon of hope for a brighter, more peaceful future. The Nakba is not a mere historical event. It's a living part of Palestinian identity, shaping their collective narrative and fueling their aspirations. The Nakba is a story of loss, but it's also a story of survival, resilience, and ongoing struggle. It's a testament to the spirit of a people who, despite overwhelming odds, continue to hope, to dream, and to fight for their rights. Thus, the Nakba, to echo, continues to be commemorated, remembered, and its legacy passed on. Just like a coin has two sides, so does the story of the Nakba. The Nakba, or catastrophe, is a richly woven tapestry of narratives, as diverse as the people it touched. A significant chapter in both Palestinian and Israeli chronicles, it acts as a crucible, molding their identities and political aspirations. On one side of the coin, we find the Palestinians. For them, the Nakba is an indelible part of their national identity, representing a period of immense turmoil. It's a period when around 750,000 Palestinians were uprooted from their homes, their lives irrevocably altered. It's an open wound, a raw reminder of loss and exile, of yearning for a homeland once theirs. Every year on May 15th, they observe Nakba Day, a solemn echo of their shared past and collective flip the coin over, and you encounter the Israeli narrative. For Israelis, the Nakba is inextricably linked with the birth of the State of Israel. It's a tale of survival and resilience, of a people rising phoenix-like from the ashes of the Holocaust, establishing a homeland amidst adversity. It's a narrative of victory, a testament to their tenacity and resolve. Yet, it's also a tale steeped in conflict and controversy, acknowledging the displacement of Palestinians in the aftermath of their state's creation. Narratives, seemingly at odds, are in fact two sides of the same historical coin. Twin stories born from the same soil. Stories that have been molded and remodeled by the sands of time. They mirror the complexities and paradoxes of the human condition, our innate ability to survive and adapt, but also our ability to cause destruction and displacement. The Nakba, therefore, stands as a stark reminder of two nations forever linked by history. And that concludes our journey through time, exploring the Nakba of 1948. We began by tracing the roots of Nakba, harking back to the late 19th century with the arrival of the Zionists in Ottoman Palestine. The formation of Israel in 1948 and the United Nations Partition Plan for Palestine in 1947 were critical turning points, setting the foundation for the events that followed. We then leapt forward to 1948, the pivotal year when the Nakba unfolded. This turbulent period saw the displacement of roughly 750,000 Palestinians and the destruction of multiple Arab-majority towns and villages. In the wake of the Nakba, we observed the profound influence it exerted on the Palestinian people and their national identity. Nakba Day, commemorated each year on May 15th, serves as an enduring echo of these tumultuous events. We also examined the two narratives enveloping the Nakba, an event that shapes not only Palestinian history, but also the national identity and political aspirations of Israelis. But remember, history is akin to an onion, layered and complex, and the Nakba is only one layer. The exploration, however, doesn't end here. There's much more to uncover. So until we meet again, remain inquisitive, keep learning, and continue your exploration. If our journey through history has sparked your interest, then we have a small request. Don't forget to like our video and share it with those who share your fascination with history. Let's make history more accessible, and let's make learning a shared experience. Your contribution can help us bring more such stories to life. And most importantly, if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you become a part of our community, a community of knowledge seekers and history enthusiasts. We have many more journeys planned through the annals of time, and we promise they will be equally insightful and riveting. So, come along and join us in our mission to delve deeper into the past. Together, we can explore, learn, and grow. Remember, every story, every event, every era has something to teach us. And as we unravel these lessons, we understand our present better and shape our future more wisely. So until our next historical journey, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for your time, your support, and your passion for history.